Hey everyone, so today we'll be looking at the DYMO. This is the Organizer Express, and this is what is considered an embosser label maker. I love to use these to label some of my jars and different baking things around the house. The kids also like it for their water bottles. So it's basically around around the top is letters, numbers, designs, different things. What I always do is there's a space thing, little thing that looks like an underscore. I start out with that one first, and I'll just print a label for you real quick. We'll make it say hi. So then you will hit your H, trigger, hit your I, trigger, and then I go back to the space to put a space at the end. That. And then your last one is, this is your cut one, and then you just click that. It cuts your label. It bounced that at me, but it says hi right there. The set that I got came with black and red. I actually prefer the black. I haven't used the red yet, but this is where you change it at. Take this off, and then when this becomes empty, this is where you put a new one in. And then I also, since black is my preferred color, I also got a set of the DYMO refill. So this is really fun and cool, and I'll show you. My kid did their own glass water bottle and put the different labels on it for them.